Let's take her out.
She runs like a dream.
It's the first BMW car ever made.
Careful! Easy! Let's see what we've got.
Whew. There she is.
We can save this. Look at that craftsmanship.
All clear? Dip it. Watch that. The rust is completely gone.
Look at that metal. Beautiful. Hold that angle. That's how it's done. Smooth and even. Feels perfect. Perfect. Let's weld.
Ready for paint.
Every edge perfect.
Beautiful coverage.
Ooh. Look at that shine.
That's our red.
Worth every minute. Looks incredible.
Just like original. Just like original.
Solid as new.
Take your time.
Just like original. Just like original.
Mirror finish.
Let's take her out.
Time to wake her up. She lives.
Oh, thanks.
She runs like a dream.
Thanks for watching Forgotten Metal. Follow us for more cinematic restorations.